I recently ordered something from Glow Recipe. They just sent their mini products. So they sent this Glow Recipe Codberry Bright Essence Toner. I love how toners feel on the skin. Just makes it feel all clean to me. They sent the Watermelon Glow Hue Drops as well. Still also a cute little bottle. Oh wow, look at that color. If I remember correctly, this like tints your skin. I feel like it just gives you, like it says, that like subtle tan, that subtle glow. I really like this. They also sent the Watermelon Glow Dewy Flush, which I feel like is their blush. It is their blush. I've seen a lot of different creators have this and they say you just need like the smallest amount. I like don't have any other makeup on, so I don't want to put it on right now, but I'll put it on my hand just so you can see. So pretty. Yes, so far Glow Recipe is one of my favorite skincare brands.